I now hand over the proceedings to Azhar.
Thank you, Sarfaraz. I'd like to first welcome all of you. We have 65 participants today, which is a fantastic record. I mean, it's the first time, but nevertheless, it is a record. And specifically, I'd like to welcome our DGE Pankaj Shah, DGN Dr. Anil Parmar, AGC Vibhakar Trithankar, AG Arvind Saraf, AGA Dinas Tarapur. We have district officers Manju Farke, Sudhin Apte, and Pramod Ambekar, as well as Brij Sethi. We have a lot of cops mate, Abbas Feroz, Ashwini Shah, Ajay Dubey, Sudarshan Natu, Ramesh Gupta, Harry George, Rajesh Gaikwad from Lonavala, Mehul Parmar, Ashish Shah, and Vivek Lele, and some friends and some other professional friends who are all here, all well-wishers of our club and our president to be elected, Mr. Gupta. We also have some prospective, Suresh Advani, who is an old Rotarian, and good to see you here, sir, once again. And I'm going to ask now, our outgoing president, Sarfaraz, to please present his year of, as we call it, down memory lane. So I'm going to just share that screen over here. Okay. Sarfaraz?
Yes, can we start?
Can you see the screen?
No, I can only see your...
Yeah, okay, we are sharing the screen. There's a time lag. It'll take a few seconds more.
Yes.
Your screen. Yeah.
Still not yet come, Azhar.
No.
Okay, fine. It's okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Respected District Governor-elect Rotarian Pankaj Shah, DGN Rotarian Anil Parmar, District Officers, Rotarians, and my dear friends. It was exactly 2 years ago when I accepted to be president of Pune's premier Rotary Club, the Rotary Club of Pune Cantonment. Fast forward to 2020. It has been one long journey, one that has brought satisfaction and happiness to one and all. The year began with the installation ceremony of the Board of Directors of RY 1920. Some of the main focus points of RY 1920 were membership growth and retention, long-term and sustainable projects, good weekly programs and fellowship, public image of the club. Next, Rotary celebrated 100 years of existence in India. Still, membership is an important issue for the Rotary movement. We had 100% membership retention and have been able to increase membership of the club. The club organized different projects this year, which covered various avenues of Rotary, mainly basic education and literacy, teachers, training, women empowerment, medical, environment, and youth. Our flagship project, Children's Bliss, saw a smile on the face of 8,000 children. This year, we had 16 Rotary clubs of District 3131 participate in the project. It was one of the most impactful projects of the club. Besides this, we also organized Anand Mela, an entertainment program for children with special needs. Our other important project is The Last Word, an inter-institutional debating competition. These projects are our club's signature projects, which is organized for many years. Besides these, the club carried out different projects in RY 1920. The club conducted a teachers training program at Apulki Special School, Patchworth. The training was on importance of mental health and burnout. This project was in association with Umeed, Mumbai. Disha, a women empowerment program, was organized to improve the skills and provide employment to women from the backward community at Kasarwadi. It was a synergy project with Doctors Foundation, where the beneficiaries received training in basic paramedics. Erase the E-Waste was the club's environment initiative. Next. To provide clean and healthy environment for all. Through this project, we collected electronic waste and created awareness of the ills of e-waste and plastic waste. I see this project growing in magnitude through the coming years. Next, Azhar. We conducted 2 medical camps and a dental camp at Ashriya Initiative for Children. The medical camps were mainly to test the deficiency of iron in the children and to provide them with treatment. The dental camp was organized in association with Bharatiya Vidyapeeth Dental College. Our club has been very active amidst a COVID-19 crisis. We donated the latest version of the dialysis machine to Sassoon Hospital. Our club also distributed essential food item kits to migrant workers across Pune. This was a synergy club with Rotary Club of Pune, Sarasbagh. We also distributed monthly rations to families in Market Yard area. Also, we donated 500 frocks and kurtis to girls between age of 5 to 11 years. These clothes were stitched by women from poor sections of society. The effect was twofold. It provided employment to the women and also provided frocks and kurtis to girls from poor families. To keep the children warm in winter, Rotary Club of Pune Cantonment distributed 1,500 plus sweaters to children from 1st to 4th standard across various schools in Pune. Rotary Club of Pune Cantonment, Bantwal Foundation and Rahat Foundation distributed t-shirts, sweaters, printers and 3 water purifiers to Rastapet School. We organize regular weekly meetings, be it speaker sessions or entertainment program meetings. We had good speakers who covered variety of topics like self-development, investments, tourism, human rights, gardening, nutrition and health, etc. We also organize musical programs, housing games, and a quiz Kaun Banega Cantonment Gem. Along with it, we had good fellowship at these weekly meetings. Next, Azhar. We conducted a visit to the War Memorial in Pune and also had an industrial visit cum picnic at Pure Berry Farms, Mahabaleshwar. To promote harmony amongst the members, which is very important these days, we celebrated different festivals through the year. Our youth, the Rotractors and Interactors, carried out various programs this year. Azhar, next. Our Rotract Club successfully organized a district Rotract conference. They also partnered with us in various programs and projects. Our 3 Interact clubs organized various programs like RILA, visit to old age homes and orphanages, and participated in district programs. This year, we had 2 students to Brazil and also hosted 1 inbound student through the RYE program. This year, one of the most important events of any Rotary Club is the DG's visit. It was very successful, and our DG expressed his appreciation for the different projects carried out through the year. This year, our club got good print and electronic media coverage. We also developed our social media via Facebook. We also had proper reporting of our programs and projects at RI and district level. Our relations with District 3131 have been warm and cordial. This year, for the first time, the serving district governor attended our flagship project, Children's Bliss at Lonavala. Besides this, various district officials also attended our club's programs and projects. All this would have not been possible without each one of your support, love, and thanks through the year. I'd like to thank my BOD members, chairpersons of every project, ANS and ANETS for the continuous and valuable support through the year. I would also like to thank my dear family for being there through thick and thin. I wish Rotarian Surendra and his team all the best for the coming year. Thank you and God bless. There are a few Rotarians who have shown exemplary dedication to Rotary this year. To honor their efforts, I would like to, as a next, I would like to present them with the following awards. Next, Azhar. The first award is for the best new Rotarian, and he's none other than Rotarian Huzefa Bahrainwala. Best project chairperson. This year, we have two, Rotarian Surendra Gupta and Rotarian Khurshid Balla. Best director goes to none other than Mazahid Nasir. Award for service above self goes to one of the most benevolent Rotarians of our club, Rotarian Prabhakar Bantwal. Project of the year goes to Children's Bliss. President's Choice Award. He's always been with me throughout the year. He's none other than Rotarian Moise Chakiwala. This year we have two Best Anne awards. One goes to Anne Fatima and second goes to Anne Lena. And the most important and the valuable person who has been there with me through the year is none other than Rotarian Rajesh Jain, and he received the Rotarian of the Year award. Thank you. All these awards will be given to you once the lockdown period will get over and we will be able to meet physically. Thank you very much. Over to you, Azhar.
So much for that, for sharing the year. I also would like to add that there were some district awards that we got. And give me a second. And these two awards were given to us, were received by a club, and all congratulations to our president, Sarfraz Potia. And these are two particularly specific awards which have been received by him. And I'm going to now ask you, I'm going to invite Moise, Secretary Moise, to come in and present his year.
Thank you, Azhar. A very good evening to our esteemed guests and my dear friends. It is my honor and pleasure to present the annual report for the Rotary year 2019-20. Azhar, can we have the screen, the Secretary's report?
You see it? Noted. It's coming noted, is it?
It's on the way. On the way.
On the way, don't worry, it'll come.
So during last year, we had a total of 32 weekly meetings. We also had, in spite of the lockdown, we had all the 12 board meetings, one for each month. And we had 3 club assembly meetings. We had 3 joint meetings. In spite of the lockdown, we carried out 16 checks. We have 1 Rotary club, Rotaract club within our RCPC, and we have 3 Interact clubs within RCPC. And the total TRF contribution for the year was US dollars 1,559. That's from me. Back to you, Azhar.
I'm sorry about this, but Moise, your presentation was showing on my screen, but for whatever reason, it didn't come in there. I'm sorry about that. But
no problem. We can always share the information.
To get used to this. I'd like to then now present, or we're actually coming to the moment of the day where we're actually installing, but we had a prior ceremony in my offices some time back, and I'd like to just share with you a little video of how it went through. And I hope you can see this.
No, it's not coming.
Can you see this?
Okay.
Thank you. Okay.
We can't see Azhar.
You want to take a picture of handing over the list?
Yeah, we can't see it.
Moise, you can share your screen directly.
Thank you.
Can you see it now?
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, yes.
We had to see the ceremony already, pre-recorded for everybody here today.
You want to take a picture of handing over the
There was a little ceremony where we handed over the charter and
Congratulations, President.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Surinder ji.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Surinder.
Congrats, Surinder. Congrats.
And all the best.
Congratulations, Surinderji.
Thank you so much.
Surinder, congratulations. All the best.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Surinder.
All the best, Surinder. All the best for the incoming year.
Thank you, Risa.
Congratulations, Surinder from RCPD.
Thank you.
Congrats.
Congratulations.
All the best.
Congrats, Surinder from Pune Central.
Thank you, Ajay.
Good. Yeah, it was a nice recorded one. It was really good. Enjoyed it.
you also had the secretaries exchanging gifts and handing over the charter. And the president also gave. The president also gave the secretary a Rotary charter, so he knows exactly how to maintain his records. And that's a picture over there.
Always I take all this by.
Well done, well done.
I'd like to now introduce our president of the day, and I'd like you to tune in, please. Rotarian S.K. Gupta, Surinder Gupta. He's actually a bachelor's degree in engineering from the Punjab University, with over 43 years of experience in maintenance, energy management, and quality management systems. He's traveled widely across India and the Europe, UAE, and Africa for establishing many steel industry projects. He's a lead auditor for environment standards, energy management standards, and he's proficient with energy management with the utmost efficiency. He's a certified PWD supervisor for high voltage electrical systems installation, operation, and maintenance. And he retired from regular employment in 2015, and he's driving his passion in energy efficiency improvement initiatives. One of the key projects that he does with us is e-waste, and that stems from this passion. He loves machines. He loves to be engaged with machines. He's also an avid trekker, and you will keep, whenever he disappears, you know that he's out on some mountain somewhere, and he is traveling somewhere. He joined our club only in 2016, has been an invaluable member, and has been a board member for long. His wife, Sushma, is a postgraduate in economics and has worked for BSNL for over 25 years. And any telephone instrument problems, you can visit President Surinder's home. Son Rohit is married with Shikha, and both postgraduates in computer technology. And daughter Poonam is married to Sumit, and both are again IT professionals and stay in Dublin. And they've got a young one named Atharva, who's only 3 years old. And this is our president, Surinder. And I'd like to invite him to please take over and say a few words and share his year and his BOD with us. I will just open up my recording so that you can share that. Does it come on your screen?
No. Actually, you go back to the stop and open that. No. No. Just
Is that on your screen?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, good evening, friends. Congratulations, Sarfraz and team, for the wonderful year and for setting some new landmarks for me. I think there is nothing to worry. I trust my board members will agree with me to say we shall set some new standards ahead. Thank you, Sarfraz. Now I would like to introduce my board of directors. Azhar, can you go ahead, please? We have seen Rotary theme. We have made Rotary Connects Awards. We have made connections the last year, so we are moving towards Rotary Opens Opportunities. What a beautiful idea which came with the RI president. He has designated how the things move on. So we are now moving to Rotary Opens Opportunities. Next, Azhar, please. So this Azhar has already shown. We have done this ceremony of exchange of colors earlier in his office. So Rotary Club of Pune Cantonment Board. Little head, Azhar. Can you go to secretary slide? Yeah, Secretary Mazahir is a BE graduate in Industrial and Power Electronics. He is running his own business on solar EPC, batteries and estate development. He is a member since 2016. He is a PHF member. He is very suitable and very good in getting into the secretary role. Though he is joined in my same year, I also joined in 2016, but he is a very able support to me. Next, please. Vinayak Chaudhary, going to be the president after next year, after me. He has got many qualifications. After doing BE Civil, he has done many consultancy jobs and is expert in civil projects. He is member since 2017. He is good in reading, writing, games and current affairs. He is always at work to see how he can serve the community better. He doesn't look for his own figure, but he looks for better service to the community. Next, please. Moez Chakiwala, he is a president nominee. So you see him in the next year. Dr. Anil Parmar is here. He will be president in your year, please. He is a CA and is self-employment in investments. He is a member since 2017. He is not a PHF member since till now, but I am sure that he will become this year. His hobbies are and interest is running. He is a free runner. He is a member of the free running group. He is a very straightforward person. He talks to the point, very serious in his job, and he takes his job very seriously and sincerely. Next, please. Prabhakar Bantwal, he is our locker, financial locker. He is giving his service so generously for many years. He is the backbone of our club. He is a very generous, most generous member in our club. Whenever there is a problem, whenever there is a financial issue, he comes on the front and helps us. Next, please. Director Service Projects, Dr. Nikhil Saha. He is our charter member. His hobbies are outdoors, reading, socializing. Every work is easy for him. Anytime you ask for any information, he is there. He can be said as an encyclopedia of any information is there. He can help you out. Dr. Nitin is very young at heart, ever ready to participate in any concept, whichever he gets to his taste. Whenever he says that this concept is good, he will come on the front and he will do till the final execution of the project. Next, please. Rajesh Jain, Service Projects. He is a BE Civil and owns his own construction business. He is a very old member, 2007 PHF member, and he is a person who always help. Sarfraz has already shown that he is a Rotarian of the year. This year also I expect he will excel, and he is always helpful for anything and everything. He is representing district also for membership development in the Zone 3. I'll show what he has done some exemplary job as it is now itself. I'll tell you at the later stage. Dr. Hema Pandey, PhD in Development of Human Entrepreneurship. She is a very active lady. She is joined with our club in 2018. Since then, he is on the director board and he is very active and ever smiling. Anytime any job is given to her, he will act it very fast and aggressively. He acts into that. He always likes to work for anything and everything, whatever you assign to her. Next, please. Sarfraz Kotia, he has done an excellent year last year. He has shown you whatever he has done in the last, still. He wants to relax it this year, but still I requested that he has got a passion for youth development. So I have engaged him to develop the youth, help us so that we can take our road, interact further. He is still humble to support the cancer patients on financial level. Whatever help he can do, he is very humble to do that. Next. Other next, please. Yeah. Rotarian Mahendra Bange. He is a civil engineer and he also owns a construction business. He is a member since 2017. He is a PHI member. His hobbies are traveling, photography, and reading. He is a chief editor for our news club newsletter. He is doing an excellent job. He is always interested to knowing the new things, whatever it comes in his way. He is always aggressive and active in his projects. He has led last year our Anand Mela project, and this year too he will be taking very active part in the many of the projects. Very energetic. He always likes to act fast. Thank you, Mahendra. Next. Huzaifa Ibrahim Baranwala. Our Sarfraz has told he is a new member, but he has established himself in the last year, doing very good support to the club. He is a master's in financial management and he is very award-winning in his portfolio. He is presently assisting his son to establish a financial planning business in Pune itself. His hobbies are watching movies, reading, humor, and jokes. He cracks many good jokes. Whenever there is a party or entertainment program for our club, he enters at the front. He is a youth service director and he is looking to develop Rotaract and Interact Club to the maximum level. Azhar has done a great job in the last 2 years to develop our Rotaract and Interact Club. Huzaifa has got further ambitions to make it still better. I welcome Huzaifa on the board. Next, please. Pankaj Apte, ever smiling man. Everything takes it in stride. He is a chairperson of our club flagship project, Tilton Bliss, doing for the last 11 years, 12 years. And he is on the district chair for external public image development. Public image is doing a great job in district this year. He is a district chair for community and public toilet vertical in VASH Rotary Action Group. Looking forward to do whatever best he can do on all the fronts as he expected. He is always there for whenever you need for any project, he will be there. Welcome, Pankaj. Saganathan, you can see, he is there on the screen, but you can't see him. He is there in the ceremony. He is holding all the things, but you cannot see him. He is always a person who stands at the back of the screen and working tirelessly for anything whichever you give to him. Next, please. Welcome, Sak. He is our technology person for anything and everything. Thank you so much. This is my board. Welcome to all the board members. I expect all the cooperation from all these board members. Thank you so much. Thanks, Azhar.
Thank you. Thank you. Congratulations to all the board members.
Congratulations, Surendra, and to your incoming board. Wish
Thank
you
you,
all the
Usha.
best.
Thank you, Usha.
You have our support.
Thank you very much.
Great introduction.
Over to Azhar.
Sir, congratulations on that wonderful introduction of your board. Wish you all the very best for that. I'd like you to now introduce your first new venture in the entire district. I think that's a feather in your cap to our entire club and to you. And I'd like you to introduce the new satellite club and also introduce our chairperson, Sadik.
I am very happy to share the laurels of rewriting of history of our club, not only our club, of our district. On the 1st July this year, we have sponsored a first satellite club in the district on 1st of July, Rotary Satellite Club of Pune Cantonment. We all Cantonians should be proud of it. Can you make me chairperson for the Rotary Satellite Club of Pune Cantonment, Mr. Sadik Sagar, none other than son of our own Rotarian Cantonian past president Nisar Sagar. Sadik is master in pharmacy, master in marketing management. He get into dialogue and get familiar very fast. I was not knowing him till last month. Once I enter into dialogue with him, he came up so fast that I got everything, all the knowledge about him. He takes the lead in every action and work aggressively to achieve the goal. This satellite club has come with the efforts of Sadik so aggressively he has worked, so he made my task very easy. He is a multifaceted personality, from colorful self to make the homes colorful for others. In spite of his pharmacy and marketing, he does most of the job. He makes the other people colorful and happy. He tries to make people wealthy too. Not only colorful, he makes them wealthy too by his equity market education and sharing the knowledge of the people. He enjoys warm affection at home with his parents and wife Humaira Aman and his son Yusuf. Father Nisar Sagar is a well-known Rotarian and Cantonian in our family. He needs no introduction as such. He joined Rotary in October. Sadik joined Rotary in October 2018, but he did not stop there. He was a member of Rotary Club of Pune Diamond, but his ambitions were for big steps, writing something new. So he came up with the idea so that let us start a new club. So we are here to have Rotary Satellite Club of Pune Cantonment. He doesn't believe in small steps. He wants to have a big jumps. His vision, just one slide. To unlock the potential of Rotary, he sees Rotary as a big potential. By giving back to the community, we are not able to do something big. He has got very big vision to do something big, bringing creative projects to life, spread the power of optimism, and be inspired by it. Now I would like to invite Sadik to introduce his board members.
So just before that, sir, we'd like to take a, you need to take a pledge. I'm going to invite all the satellite members to pay attention, and we're going to play a pledge, and President Gupta is going to read it out, and you can follow it up and say your name, and that's a pledge towards the club. And following that, then we'll go ahead with the program. So I will just. Is this there on your screen? Not yet.
You have to click on this.
1 second. I'd like, in the meantime, all the satellite members, if you're there, just please pay attention here. I'm just trying to put this on the screen.
Let's go.
All satellite club members, Can you follow me?
Yes.
So, President Gupta, please.
Yeah. With the acceptance of this emblem,
With the
acceptance of this emblem,
which opens doors of friendship
which
opens doors of friendship
and builds bridges of understanding,
and build bridges of
understanding.
I,
I,
please say your name,
Sadik Sagar,
Seema,
And Jai Sonat.
pledge that
pledge that
plus that
I will make every effort
I will make every effort
of body,
of body,
mind and spirit
mind and spirit
to serve my community,
to serve my community,
my club,
my club,
in any capacity
in
in
any
any
capacity
capacity
in which I am asked to serve.
in
in
which I am
which I am
asked
asked
To serve.
I will not be just
I will not be just
to be just
a member,
a member,
but a true Rotarian.
but
true
a true
Rotarian.
Rotarian.
Congratulations to all the members of Pune Rotary
Thank
Club.
you.
Thank
Rotary
you.
Center.
so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Congratulations.
Congratulations,
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 Sadiq. Congratulations, Sadiq.
Thank you.
All the members.
Great work is done.
all members of Satellite Club.
Congratulations, Sadik.
Thank you. Same to you.
Congratulations, Sadiq.
Congratulations, Sadiq.
Congrats, Sadik.
Congratulations,
Thank you all
Congratulations,
Rotary Cantonment
everyone.
members for supporting us and believing in us.
Sadiq, congratulations. Sadiq.
Over to Azhar.
Sadiq, congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations to the entire satellite club. This is the first satellite club in the district, and this is the first virtual installation. It's a historic moment, and all the best to you. I'd like to invite District Officer Manju Farke to just share the charter, which had we done this, in a physical form, there would be an actual presentation with the charters handed over to the chairperson, Sadik Sagar. So Manju Farke, if you're here.
Yes, I'm here.
Great.
So can I just share the screen? Do I have the permission?
Yes, please go ahead. Can everybody see Manju?
Yes.
Excellent. Please, ma'am.
Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Not yet.
No, not yet.
Yeah, we can see you.
You can see the screen?
Yeah.
No, not your computer screen. We can see your screen.
You can't see my screen? Hold on.
We can see you full screen.
You
but
can
not
share
your
your screen,
computer
Manju.
Okay.
Azhar has to give permission to that. Now.
Yeah, no, Ajay already given. Yeah.
Can you see it now?
Yes.
Yeah, so good evening, everybody. And this is Rotarian Manju Farke, District Director for Membership for the year 2021. And we are introducing the concept of Satellite Club for the first time in Rotary District 3131. And Rotary Club of Pune Cantonment bags the honor of being the first club to charter a satellite club in Rotary District 3131. Heartiest congratulations to President Rotarian Surinder ji. And of course, a lot of initiation by Rotarian Nisar Sagar. And of course, my committee member, Rotarian Rajesh Jain, who has made this possible and given advice to the club from time to time. I also congratulate Rotarian Sadik for being the first ever chairman of a satellite club of Rotary District 3131. That's a huge honor, Sadik, and my best wishes to you. Congratulations of this thing, and I also would like to congratulate all the members of new satellite club, namely Sadik, Ayman, Prem, Kuresh, Seema, Sabah. I've met all these people and they are so good. They are already into social service. They are doing a great job. And I'm sure this addition will go on to give a new and a vibrant flavor to Rotary Club of Pune Cantonment. I wish all the best to both the clubs. And I wish to see this concept of satellite club flourishing in the form of Rotary Satellite Club of Pune Cantonment. All the best and thank you very much. Congratulations once again.
Thank you, Manju.
Thank you.
Thank you, Manju.
Very well done. Very well done.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
And
Congratulations,
Well done.
Satellite Club.
here's your certificate, which I will of course hand it over once the lockdown opens up.
Yeah,
Thank you,
sure.
Manju Farke.
Thanks.
Thank you, Manju.
Yes, sure.
I congratulate all club membership development team, our club membership development team, and express my gratitude to PP Rajesh Jain, PP Nisar Sagar, PP Prabhakar Vantwal, and Satellite Club Chairperson Sadik Sagar for their untiring efforts for a great beginning of the year 2020. Congratulations to you, all the Satellite Club members. I am also thankful for the exemplary support from the district membership team leaders, Manju Fadke, Prakash Ambekar, Rotarian Brish Sethi, for the new subject of Satellite Club. With the above statement, I would like to complete my address and convey my gratitude to everyone for their presence on the occasion. Now I invite Sadik to share his moments.
Just one thing, just to basically encourage you all. A lot of my team members of the district membership committee are here, so please recognize their presence. Rotarian Brish Sethi, who is the membership chair, Rotarian Pramod Ambekar, and there are more people who are present from the membership team, just to encourage you.
Yes, sure.
And we did welcome, and we appreciate the presence, and we did, I'm not sure if you were there, but in the beginning we did welcome Mr. Brish Sethi and the others, as you mentioned. So
I
we're
repeat,
glad that they are with us, and we thank you for reminding me. And I'm absolutely, looking at this first Satellite Club, a historic moment for everybody, and with dynamic leadership of yourself and Rashmi Kulkarni, I can only see this getting better and better. And wish you all the best, and they have your support.
All in your
Excellent.
hands.
Excellent year, and great start to the year. And I'm going to now invite Sadik to please say a few words. Sadik, you can share your screen, please.
Yeah, I'll share my screen later. I'll just complete an address first.
Sure, of course.
Yes. I'm audible?
Yes.
Yes.
Chief guest of the day, DG Pankaj Shah, President SK Gupta, members of the district team, fellow Rotarians, and Rotary family. A very good evening to all of you. I am Rotarian Sadik Sagar, and I'm really honored to be the chairperson of Rotary Satellite Club of Pune Cantonment. First of all, I'd like to wish President SK Gupta and all his team the best of luck for the coming year. It gives me immense pleasure to inform you, you already informed, but this I like to announce myself that Satellite Club of Pune, Rotary Satellite Club of Pune Cantonment is the first satellite club to be launched in District 3131. So we should pat ourselves on the back for that. And we were there first, like Neil Armstrong, so we will always be there, first on the moon. We like to appreciate the help information of the satellite club given to us by DG Rashmi Kulkarni, President SK Gupta, members of the district team, Rotarian Manju, Rotarian Bridge, and Rotarian Pramod, who took a very exhaustive session for us and guided us properly, step by step, like kids, how to form a satellite club. Cantonment members from the district team, past President Rajesh Jain, past President Samir Rupani, and special mention, I'd like to mention past President Rotarian Vantwal, who also took his time out from his busy schedule to give us a Sunday and explain to us how Rotary functions. And lastly, but most importantly, my father, past President Rotarian Nisar Sagar, who's been a guiding light in my life and who's really sowed the seeds of this club. And here we are with you fine people conversing in this beautiful evening. Me and my wife, and Humaira Ayman, welcome all the new members of this satellite club into the Rotary family. We are a very young and dynamic set of members with a passion to serve the community. Being a satellite club, we'll be meeting physically once a month, and other meetings will happen online. I really thank Rotarian Ayman Mehta for offering Ra Center for our meetings, our physical meetings that will happen post-COVID. I'd like to announce a few projects that are in the pipeline. First is the food distribution project that we'll be doing along with Rotary Club of Pune Cantonment. Rotarian Prem will be heading that project from our side. Then a career counseling project for 10th and 12th standard pass out students that will be headed by Rotarian Sabha. The other project is job placement and guidance project for newly passed out graduates headed by Secretary Rotarian Imtiaz. In these difficult COVID times, it is very important to take care of a young dynamic young demographic population, and for a start, we will look at for them to help attain financial stability. And it gives me immense pleasure to introduce my dynamic board of directors. I'll just share my screen now so that you can have a look at the slide. Yeah, you can see my. Yeah. Is my screen visible?
Yeah.
It's a live acting.
Yes.
Visible now?
It is not. No. Yes. Yes. Yes.
It's not. So I'd like to just introduce my board as the new members that are in the satellite club. So this club vision, I'd really like to thank Rotarian Ayman for penning down this vision. So to be a wide service club, engaging, encouraging, and empowering and enriching the society at large. First of all, I'll be the chairperson for this year. My business is paint and investing. Other really passionate member that we have is Imtiaz Sheikh, who will be our secretary for the year. He is into training, recruitment, economical furniture manufacture, corporate training, recycled paper and plastic manufacturing. Then we have our architect Abhishek Bansure, who will be our treasurer. He's an architect and music enthusiast, and I have heard from very good sources that he is an excellent player of the guitar, and he has his own band. Then, of course, Rotarian Ayman Mehta, who will be the incoming chairperson. She's a writer, journalist. She's into reality. She's a perfumer. She has a wide range of perfume she sells for charitable causes. And of course, she's a social worker. Then some people, when we mention some people, we mention the name of Mahatma Gandhi and Mahatma Phule. And I think our next member, Prem Angel, she likes to call herself, she's a social worker. She works with HIV positive girls and lots of different avenues in social work. She's a full-time social worker and dedicated into feeding the poor. Then we have Munira Cementwala, who is a former lecturer and a very dynamic lady and a very good person to talk to. Then we have Rotarian Shainaz Chawla. She's a journalist and digital marketer. Then we have Sanjay Sunath. He's a civil engineer, very humble person, and a civil contractor who mainly looks after government contracts. And he's been a donor for many years, and now he has that passion to get into Rotary. We have Rotarian Seema Kamdar. She's a content writer for textbooks. So all your children who read all those Gulmohar and Bal Bharati textbooks is because of her. She's a former teacher. And then Rotarian Sabha Said. She's a psychologist. Yeah, my voice is, I think it's breaking. Yeah, it's good. She's a career expert and a life coach. So this is the beautiful set of members that we have in our satellite club. And I'd like to request the district and our parent club, Rotary Club of Pune Cantonment, to give up all the help that we require. See, we are on training wheels, and we require all the help that we can offer, especially in cases of projects. And we are really passionate. We have a lot of energy, and we like to offer this energy to Rotary and to channelize in the proper direction. And inshallah, we will be very successful. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Sadiq. I mean, yes, as a club, we will be happy to support you, but you've got a
all the best, Beta, all the best.
You've got a stalwart at home 24/7.
Thank you.
I was saying you've got a stalwart at home, Nisar Sagar, our past president, active Rotarian. You don't even need to, call up anybody. You've got all the support you want at home, but all the best, all the very best to you and your team. And next on the agenda is where I would like to introduce our AG, Arvind Saraf. Sir, are you there today?
Yes, very much.
Arvind Saraf, sir, welcome to our club. Welcome to this first virtual installation of ours. I'd like to introduce you to our club. And when I was going through your background, it was just amazing to learn that you are a IIT alumnus as well as you've done your advanced leadership from the Harvard Business School. And it's such an honor to have people of your standing sitting with us today. You are a mentor to so many startups. You're part of the board evaluation in the UK and part of discovery, innovation, and growth of INSET France. And Mr. Saraf has been in all leading positions, which I mean as managing directors and director positions of business development with major leading corporates in the country as Black & Decker, Jabil, as well as Mahindra. And since 2004, he's gone independent and he set up an advisory practice focused on strategy and business transformation. And all his clients include global PE firms and Indian corporates looking for breakthroughs in business growth and profitability, which I'm sure in these today's COVID times is an extremely important avenue for seeking your consultancy. And he's got a new consulting model, performance culture. We would love to have you as a speaker someday and explain to us what that really means. But sir, we are very, very grateful for you having you with us. And I'd like you to please welcome and introduce our chief guest for the day, please.
Thank you so much. I just want to confirm that you can hear me.
Yes, I can.
Okay, good evening, friends. At the outset, congratulations and best wishes to President Surinder and the team on this momentous occasion. Team RCP Cantonment has hit a 6 on the first ball by sponsoring first ever satellite club in the district. I am sure President Surinder will continue to hit more sixes, and we are all there to support him. I am indeed privileged to introduce my good friend, Rotarian DG Pankaj. I shall start by reciting few lines which describe his life, with his permission, obviously. Pankaj, do all the good you can, by all the means you can, in all the ways you can, in all the places you can, at all the times you can, to all the people you can, and as long as ever you can. Give him a big hand for the spirit he carries within him. Rotarian Pankaj Shah joined Rotary in the year 2009 as a chartered member of Rotary Club of Pune Sarasbagh. Within 10 years of his service in the Rotary, he has earned a name for himself. And that name is, as all of you can believe, a large-hearted Rotarian. He has many arrays in his Rotary wheel. He has been elected as the district governor for the year 2021-22. He has many awards to his credit, such as Best President for the year 13-14, Club Builder Award by RI President Ron Burton, Citation for Meritorious Service Award for Exemplary Service in Rotary Foundation, Best Director for the year 17-18. He has demonstrated his full commitment to Rotary by attending 6 RI conventions and 5 institutes. And I must say that we missed our Hawaii convention, Pankaj Bhai. We were there, we planned to be there together. Rotarian Pankaj Shah has performed at various district levels, and you have been seeing him at every forum, everywhere. He's around everywhere. So I don't want to go through the list, His first position was as Assistant Governor, Rotary year 14-15, and the last position was Director, Community Service Projects 18-19 and Co-Director CSR. He was the key member of a team which achieved Guinness World Record of maximum online pledges for organ donation. Now let us have a look at his personal life. Rotarian Pankaj Shah comes from a closely knit joint family. He is a director and partner in 9 companies situated at Shirwal, Chakan, and Nimrani, Indore. I was privileged to visit his Chakan plant. This energetic and enthusiastic person attends regularly India Today Conclave, Filmfare Awards, or any other live shows and events. He was featured in the special coffee table book released during Jaipur Institute as one of the most successful businessmen. Perfectly balancing between family, business, and Rotary, he is backed by his wife, Rotarian Priya Shah. Both of them are major donors level 2. They are also blessed with 2 lovely daughters, Twinkle and Cheryl. I present to you Rotarian DG Pankaj Shah. Thank you so much.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Arvind. Your introduction is always every time little bit different. Good evening, friends. Outgoing President Sarfaraz, newly installed President today Surendra Gupta and his board of directors, all the family, friends, Rotaractors, Interactors, the newly installed Satellite Club members, and all the guests and district officers here. Good evening to you all. Friends, it's always a pleasure to attend cantonment function. I've attended it so many times in the years, but this is the first time we are attending virtual. So this is the new normal, we can say. So everybody are used to that new normal. So meeting friends in physically has a different altogether flavor, but nevertheless, this is also nice because we have to see the health scenario of all the available persons. Friends, Cantonment Club, I got a little bit closer in 13-14 when Samir Rupani was the president, because I was also the president in the same year. And since that year, before that year, I mean, we discussed with Samir ki, can we tie up with your Sleeping Kid project? Now they have changed the name to Children Bliss. But since that year, I remember that Pune Club meeting when I told Samir ki, we want to be a partner, but not a one-year partner, but a permanent partner. So I think so. Cantonment Club has a very good strategic planning. So whatever Samir committed, all the incoming presidents till date, till Sarfaraz, I think so, till 1920 they have followed. I think so. Gupta ji will also follow that.
It will continue.
Yeah, commitment of Samir.
Yes.
So that is the ideal example of strategic planning. That was I was going to say. Ki if one president commits something, everybody honor that commitment. So that is very unique. We see, very rarely see, and your club has already shown that. So of course, Cantonment Club is known by that Children Bliss project or Sleeping Kid project, and like Sarfaraz is very meticulous and planned person. I had attended his installation, and whatever commitment or whatever projects he had declared on the installation, almost all he has completed. Because since he has got 3 months less, like from 22nd or 25th of March, the COVID was declared, but still under his leadership and under the total support from the Cantonment Club, he is a very good team leader. So whatever the project shift happened from a normal projects to COVID projects, like whatever medical camps, the donation of dialysis machine or food, migration of work, very swiftly the change has happened in Cantonment Club, and everybody has strongly supported Sarfaraz. Definitely Sarfaraz, its due credit goes to your leadership and your skills. So मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि सरफराज को कोई ना नहीं बोल सकता. जितना भी मैं सरफराज को जानता हूँ, सरफराज अगर कोई चीज रिक्वेस्ट करता है या कोई चीज बोलता है तो नॉर्मली उसको कोई मना नहीं कर सकता. उसके स्माइल में, उसके कहने में इतना ऐसा कन्विक्शन है कि कि नॉर्मली मैंने तो आज तक कभी देखा नहीं कि किसी ने सरफराज को मना किया. सो डेफिनेटली सरफराज, दैट गोज टू योर पर्सनैलिटी एंड क्रेडिट गोज टू योर पर्सनैलिटी. E-waste project you have done already, as you all know that Rotary has introduced the 7th focus area from this year. So, but of course the global grant will be there from next year, but it has already introduced the environment as a 7th focus area. So already you have started last year only to do projects in that. And e-waste is a very थोड़ा सा कम ध्यान रहता है लोगों का उसके ऊपर. But your club has taken that, very few clubs have taken that project, and definitely it can go to leaps and bounds. So definitely सुरेंद्र जी आप और आगे विनायक चौधरी भी हैं यहाँ पे. So definitely इसमें strategic planning करके ये e-waste project को और बड़ा कर सकते हो, because that is the need of the hour. क्योंकि आज जितनी ज्यादा टेक्नोलॉजी यूज हो रही है उतना ही ज्यादा e-waste भी जनरेट हो रहा है. अब नॉर्मल e-waste तो हम करते हैं, बट ये e-waste भी जनरेट ज्यादा हो रहा है. तो डेफिनेटली इसको भी किसी ने ध्यान देना जरूरी है. So apart from your Children Bliss project, Anand Mela, so this e-waste project, you can be the lead or pioneer of this project in the district, and you can take the like-minded clubs. जैसे आप normally sleeping kit या Children Bliss में हमेशा 7-8 क्लब हमेशा आपके साथ सिनर्जी में होते हो. तो डेफिनेटली सुरेंद्र जी मैं चाहूंगा कि आप देखो कि all kids are doing online training, like online उनके classes, schools classes चालू है. So technically, silently the demand of mobiles or demand of iPads or demand of computers is increased. तो जैसे वो increase होगा तो पुराने चीज outdated हो जाते हैं. So again, this is a generation of e-waste. अभी बहुत से ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऐसे आ गई है कि जो बच्चे अफोर्ड कर सकते हो अच्छा लैपटॉप लेते हैं और पुराना लैपटॉप डिस्कार्ड करते. वो पुराना लैपटॉप अगर कोई गरीब बच्चों को दे सकते हैं जिनके पास वो लैपटॉप खरीदने की, आईपैड खरीदने के पैसे नहीं है. सो दिस कैन बी ऑल्सो गुड प्रोजेक्ट. तो इसके बारे में भी आप सोच सकते हो, बिकॉज यू आर ऑलरेडी इन दैट सिमिलर लाइंस में आप उसको सोच सकते हो. क्लब इंटरैक्ट रोटरी, सॉरी आपका क्लब रोटरैक्ट इंटरैक्ट में बहुत ज्यादा एक्टिव है. मैंने थोड़ा इंटरनेट रोटरी और जो एज अ गवर्नर मुझे थोड़ा एक्सेस होता है. तो मेरे रिकॉर्ड की सबसे 3 इंटरैक्ट क्लब आपके एक्टिव है अभी और 1 रोटरैक्ट क्लब एक्टिव है. कुछ मेरी इंक्वायरी शायद गलत भी हो सकती है, लेकिन कल परसों मैंने डेटा लिया है वो हिसाब से योर क्लब इज ऑलरेडी वर्किंग ऑन वेरी गुड यूथ एक्टिविटीज. और उसका एक अच्छा उदाहरण है कि आपने वो यूथ एक्टिविटी निसार, आई लाइक टू कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट यू. Sadiq Sagar, I like to congratulate you. Under your leadership, you have formed one new satellite club. और उसमें मैंने जब आपके मेंबर्स देखा तो you have the mixed combination of young, youth और एक्सपीरियंस लोगों का भी आपका कॉम्बिनेशन है. तो वो कॉम्बिनेशन देख के ऐसा लगता है कि आपको खाली प्रोजेक्ट्स मतलब पैशन है रोटरी के बारे में. वो आपका जो भी मेंबर्स का प्रोफाइल देख के ऐसा लगता है कि डेफिनेटली ये क्लब बहुत आगे जाके बड़ा होगा. आई डोंट नो कि आपका विजन इसको सैटेलाइट ही रखना है या उसका 25-30 होने के बाद एक रोटरी क्लब फॉर्म करना है. बिकॉज कैंटोनमेंट क्लब मेरे ख्याल से 13 जून 89 का चार्टर है. मैंने जो डेट निकाला इंटरनेट से, तो 13 जून 89 का चार्टर है. तब से आज तक कोई नया क्लब नहीं निकाला है आपने. सो नो न्यू बेबी बॉर्न. आप शायद यंग ही रहना पसंद करते हो, जल्दी फादर बनना पसंद नहीं है आपको. तो आपका फैमिली प्लानिंग बहुत बड़ा है, लेकिन सैटेलाइट की तरीके से मान लो इसको लिव इन रिलेशनशिप बोलो या कुछ भी बोलो, इसको जल्दी से जल्दी शादी में कन्वर्ट करके उसका एक डेफिनेटली एक चाइल्ड बर्थ होना चाहिए कैंटोनमेंट का. 31 साल इज अ गुड टाइम टू गिव अ बर्थ टू न्यू क्लब ऑफिशियली. बिकॉज कैंटोनमेंट मेंबरशिप ग्रो होगा सैटेलाइट से, बट क्लब का जो ये होता है कि न्यू क्लब चार्टर का, तो उसमें रोटरी इंटरनेशनल में आप ये जो भी सैटेलाइट क्लब किया है उसको आगे जाके कन्वर्ट करके आप ये कर सकते हो. रोटरैक्ट के बारे में बहुत से चेंजेस है, शायद आपको मालूम होंगे. बिकॉज नाउ द रोटरैक्ट एलिवेटेड टास्क फोर्स हैज बीन फॉर्म्ड. और रोटरैक्ट के बारे में हर साल कुछ ना कुछ नया चेंज आ रहा है. तो इस साल ड्यूअल मेंबरशिप से ऑलरेडी पहले से चेंज है. इस साल से ये चेंज है कि 1 रोटरैक्ट कैन स्पॉन्सर एन अदर रोटरैक्ट. So there is no need of a Rotary club to sponsor a Rotaract. So एक रोटरैक्ट दूसरे रोटरैक्ट क्लब को स्पॉन्सर कर सकता है. ये चेंज इस साल से है. 2022 से और एक चेंज उन्होंने लाया है कि there will be no charter fee for Rotaract, but the Rotaractors will have to pay the Rotary dues. So like $5 is for institute based and $8 is for community based. So ये एक नया रूल उन्होंने लाया है, ये हिसाब से चेंज हो रहा है. ग्लोबल ग्रांट में दे कैन बी पार्टनर्स एज ए एनजीओ पार्टनर्स, मतलब अभी कोऑपरेटिंग पार्टनर जिसको बोलते हैं, सपोर्टिंग पार्टनर्स। जैसे हम कोई भी ग्लोबल ग्रांट में सपोर्टिंग पार्टनर लेते हैं, एनजीओ लेते हैं, वैसा रोटरैक्ट को ले सकते हैं। और जो रोटरैक्ट क्लब ये 2 साल में रोटरी के कोई ग्लोबल ग्रांट में सपोर्टिंग पार्टनर करके काम करेंगे, दे आर एलिजिबल टू डू अ सेल्फ ग्लोबल ग्रांट फ्रॉम 2022, मतलब 2022 से वो खुद प्राइमरी ग्रांट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट भर के ग्लोबल ग्रांट कर सकते हैं। बट सब्जेक्ट टू कंडीशन, ये 2 साल में दे हैव टू बी सम कोऑपरेटिंग पार्टनर्स इन एनी पेरेंट क्लब और रोटरी क्लब ग्लोबल ग्रांट। सो बहुत से चेंजेस आ रहे हैं, डेली कुछ ना कुछ नए चेंजेस आ रहे हैं। जैसे एनवायरनमेंट का चेंज सडनली आया। फाउंडेशन के बारे में आपका मैंने जब देखा तो 2015 में आपने एक ग्लोबल ग्रांट किया था। 2015 का $1,10,000 का कुछ ग्लोबल ग्रांट था आपका। उसके बाद कोई ग्लोबल ग्रांट मुझे दिखा नहीं 2015 के बाद। तो सुरेंद्र जी, आपके दिमाग में अगर कोई ग्लोबल ग्रांट हो कोई अच्छे प्रोजेक्ट के लिए, परवेज जी मेरे बहुत अच्छे दोस्त है, उनसे हेल्प लेके, बंटवाल जी है, लेकिन आप एक ग्लोबल ग्रांट के बारे में पक्का सोच सकते हो क्योंकि आपका पिछले 2-3 साल से फाउंडेशन का कंट्रीब्यूशन अच्छा है। सो डेफिनेटली यू कैन गेट दैट गुड DDF एंड यू कैन हैव अ ग्लोबल ग्रांट प्रोजेक्ट। वर्ल्ड फंड ने अभी क्लब कैश को मैच करना बंद कर दिया, दे हैव स्टॉप क्लब कैश मैच। बट डेफिनेटली एक 2 चेंज उन्होंने बड़े लाए हैं। एक तो 15%, मतलब फॉरेन का कंट्रीब्यूशन जो 30% जरूरी था वो 15% पे लाया है। सो यू गेट वेरी इजी फॉरेन पार्टनर कंट्रीब्यूशन। बट आपके क्लब का कनेक्शन देख के आपको फॉरेन पार्टनर का कोई मुश्किल है ऐसे मुझे लगता नहीं। तो डेफिनेटली यू कैन हैव दैट फॉरेन पार्टनर्स और आपका ही प्रोजेक्ट थोड़ा बड़ा स्केल में हो सकता है। तो मैं और पंकज आप्टे और समीर रूपानी मिलके कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि ये स्लीपिंग किट का प्रोजेक्ट या चिल्ड्रन बिस का प्रोजेक्ट रोटरी इंटरनेशनल के फोकस एरिया में बैठ के अगर उसका कोई बड़ा ग्लोबल ग्रांट कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज 21-22 साल में दिस विल बी माय वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट थ्रस्ट प्रोजेक्ट अपार्ट फ्रॉम चिल्ड्रन बिस और स्कॉक की जो कनाडा की संस्था है, वो जितना भी कंट्रीब्यूशन करती है उसको अगर और थोड़ा बड़ा स्केल पे जैसे 8,000-9,000 करते हैं, तो अगर 15,000-20,000 कोई कॉर्पोरेट डोनेशन मिलके उसको बड़ा कर सकते हैं। तो ऑलरेडी मेरी पंकज आप्टे से बात हो चुकी है और वी आर डेफिनेटली प्लानिंग समथिंग बिग इन 21-22 स्लीपिंग किट के बारे में। सो वही प्रोजेक्ट कैंटोनमेंट ही लीड करेगा, लेकिन थोड़ा लोगों की बहुत डिमांड बढ़ रही है। मैंने देखा 18-19 में भी बहुत से लोगों को अभी ज्यादा से ज्यादा पार्टिसिपेट करना है, फिर रेशनिंग करना पड़ता है कि तू 500 ले, तू 500 ले। तो रेशनिंग करने की जरूरत नहीं है, हम उसको और बड़ा कर सकते हैं। तो डेफिनेटली मेरे भी कुछ कॉर्पोरेट से टाइप से बात चालू है एंड सेकेंडली रोटरी फाउंडेशन से भी बात चालू है कि अगर उसको कोई ऑफिशियल प्रोग्राम में उसको कर सकते हैं तो विल डेफिनेटली मल्टीफोल्ड दैट प्रोजेक्ट। सो ये एक बड़ी चीज हम करना चाहते हैं। दूसरा बात 21-22 के बारे में रोटरैक्ट को हम हर रोटरी के कमिटी में स्थान देंगे। सो रोटरैक्ट हम भी एलिवेटेड रोटरैक्ट को सपोर्ट करते हैं। वील सपोर्ट 21-22 फॉर द एलिवेटेड रोटरैक्ट एंड डेफिनेटली काम तो सामने आई थिंक सो somebody has to mute, आवाज नहीं आ रहा है। अजहर सर कैन यू म्यूट, somebody's voice is disturbing।
अजहर प्लीज म्यूट।
या फिर बड़े लोग हैं जिनके पास पैसा है तो डाइवर्ट कर।
GN Sharma, I think so, is talking on phone. You have to meet GN Sharma.
Sharma ji, please put on your mute. कल में जनरेट कर लेंगे 10।
Okay, I have unmuted myself. Thank you,
sir,
Azhar.
can you unmute yourself and talk? I've unmuted.
Yeah,
done
that once. Yeah, done. I have done that, no problem. So 21-22 we are supporting Rotracts as Rotary International is supporting, because we have like 80 odd committees in Rotary. So each and every committee there will be one Rotractors present there in the committee. We have that official appointment called as Rotract representative. So that will be big change in 21-22 administration, where every Rotary committee, maybe Global Grant, membership, service project, any committee, each and every committee will have one Rotractor. So that will be very important for us, and we'll like to take the energy, innovative ideas to grow Rotary more. So that way we are encouraging Rotractors in 21-22. And in district officer, you already have known, my mails have been circulated, WhatsApp has been circulated, and all has been got on. I'm very happy to report that as of now, 809 applications have been received to work for district in 21-22. So this is a very innovative way we have approached this year. We have transparently mailed, emailed, WhatsApp all the Rotarians in the district who are ready or who have interest to work in 21-22, because there are many potential in normal Rotarians who could not reach the district because of some way or the other. That's why I thought we should approach them, and if they have really the talent and the resource and the energy to work in district, definitely we'll welcome them. And so this is a very new and innovative approach. I don't know where it will take, but definitely I think some innovation and giving opportunities to Rotarians to perform at district level will definitely increase the district levels to a new heights. Friends, lots of things to do. सुरेंद्र जी, आपके पास भी 2-3 महीने कम है, ऐसे पकड़ के चलिए, बिकॉज 2-3 महीना और ये कोविड का प्लस माइनस लॉकडाउन है ही नहीं है, चलने वाला है. बट एज अ कॉर्पोरेट यू शुड बी ब्लेस्ड कि आपको ये टाइम प्लानिंग के लिए मिल रहा है. तो जैसे सरफराज को मालूम नहीं था ये सिचुएशन आने वाली है, सो ही वाज टेकन सडनली ऑन दिस सिचुएशन. सरफराज मतलब और फुल रोटरी वर्ल्ड. बट 2021 की बैच को ये पक्का मालूम था कि अपने पास 2-3 महीने जाने वाले. They have already got the best planning due to Rashmi, because जो भी ट्रेनिंग्स हुए हैं लोग घर पे मिले थे. There were no excuse के I am busy, ये वो कारण नहीं था, except of course doctors and emergency service. तो वो पूरा ट्रेनिंग उनको मिला है और आपको ये पक्का मालूम है कि सितंबर अक्टूबर के बाद आप इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकते हो. तो मैं खुद एक कॉर्पोरेट में हूँ, तो मुझे मालूम है प्लानिंग का इंपॉर्टेंस क्या है. तो प्लानिंग का इंपॉर्टेंस बेस्ट तरीके से यूज हुआ है 20-21 के बैच को. तो डेफिनेटली उसका कन्वर्जन अच्छे इम्प्लीमेंटेशन में पक्का होगा. एंड डेफिनेटली 20-21 साल इट विल बी द रॉक हाईएस्ट, और सबसे अच्छे और सबसे बड़े रिकॉर्ड्स 20-21 में ही रिकॉर्ड हो गए. ये मेरा वर्डिंग है. आपका ये सब मीटिंग रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है. मैं 30 जून को वापस ये रिकॉर्डिंग सुनना चाहूंगा कि रिकॉर्ड हुए कि नहीं हुए. डेफिनेटली सुरेंद्र जी, आप, आपके बोर्ड ऑफ टीम और सबको मेरी हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. और जो भी मेरे तरफ से जो भी हेल्प लगेगी, आई एम ऑलवेज देयर 24/7. थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you so much for those words of guidance, wisdom, and motivation. And thank you so much for that. And I would like to, there will be a vote of thanks, and I'm sure we're going to cover all of that then. I'm going to now invite Secretary Mazahir for his announcements of the day, please. Mazahir, are you there?
Yeah. Hi, everybody. A very good evening to one and all. I would like to announce the program for next week. Next week on Wednesday, 29th of July, we are going to be having a speaker session conducted by Dr. Dashmeet Singh. A very exciting topic he'll be talking on the challenges that he's been. First of all, let me introduce briefly. Dashmeet Singh is in charge of the COVID ward at the Sassoon Hospital, and he's been doing a real great service in the field of COVID-19 treatment. And we'll be having a very exciting talk. So I would urge everybody of you to kindly please attend that session. It will be really very informative. So that's about it as far as the program for next week is concerned. Detail for the Zoom timing and the meeting details will be conveyed in due course. Thank you.
Thank you, Secretary Mazahir. Can I now invite President-elect Vinayak Chaudhary to give his vote of thanks, please?
Yes. Am I audible?
Yes, you are. Yes, you are.
Distinguished guests, DG Pankaj Shah, DGN Dr. Anil Parmar, Assistant Governor Coordinator Vibhakar Pithankar, AG Arvind Saraf, AG Associate Mrs. Dinas Tarapur, District Membership Director Manju Phadke, District Officers Pramod Ambekar, Rotarian Sudhin Apte, Bridge Sethi, Presidents of other clubs, Presidents RCPC Surendra ji, friends, ladies and gentlemen, Rotarian ends. Good evening to all. It's my privilege to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion. I, on behalf of Rotary Club of Cantonment and the entire Rotary fraternity, and on my own behalf, extend a very hearty vote of thanks to all speakers for gracing the occasions in spite of their busy schedule and sharing with us your viewpoints today. Rotary is driven by four-way principle. Is it truth? Is it fair? Will it generate goodwill and better friendship? Will it be beneficial to all? Today, after hearing you all, those Rotary principles are once again rejuvenated. Thank you once again.
Thank you very much, President-elect Vinayak Chaudhary, and I'd like to invite President Surinder for his closing remarks and to then close the meeting. I'd also like to thank everybody over here. We've had a record 65 to, at one point in time, I even saw 70 participants, and that's brilliant for a first time. Thank you all for coming in, and I'd like to hand over to President Surinder, please.
Well conducted, Azhar.
Surinder ji, unmute yourself.
Azhar, well conducted.
I'm audible now?
Yeah, audible.
Well conducted, Azhar.
Thank you, Usha. Thank you. But we need to hear from President.
I would like to thank you, DG Pankaj Shah, for his guidance, for support. I'll like to say a few words on that, and definitely we'll do the good. Whatever you have suggested on e-waste, it is a passion for me, and we have taken a good step last year itself, and we'll definitely doing good on that. And would like to take your support on getting this e-waste project on a bigger scale. Thank you so much. And I definitely commit that we'll be doing very good in this year and come forward with maybe at different times with for your support. We'll do the good things in this year. Thanks everyone for the presence in this meeting, and I declare the meeting adjourned. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, everyone. Please join your respective families for dinner tonight. We are already sending the menu.
At home only.
I hope all the wives and the homes are prepared as discussed, and we'll celebrate.
Thank you, Pankaj, for coming.
Azhar, the menu you said is very difficult.
DG Pankaj, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks, Azhar, for the good job.
Pankaj, thank you so much.
Congratulations, Surinder ji. Congratulations, Sadiq and the whole
Thank
team.
you.
Thank you.
Surendra ji, heartily congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Rajesh.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Surendra ji.